today I'm in the park right now. The sun feels so good. And we're gonna unwrap an L.O.L surprise, color shade surprise doll today. I know her piece of her face. This is the secret message, guys. I can barely see the secret message, but this secret message means cool cats. I hope you can see it, guys. The secret message. I'm gonna wrap the second layer. It's purple, my favorite color. And there's a surprise, guys. This is our first surprise. And it's purple, my favorite color. Yay! Now I'm gonna wrap the third layer and the last layer. Okay, I found another surprise hidden in this drawer. It's another purple surprise. I love this series because the wrapping's purple. And pop this up, pizza again. For maybe hungry babies that want pizza. Another surprise. Wonder what this feels like. Okay, now I'm gonna pop the ball. Whoa! More surprises. Love it. Oh, now it totally breaks everything up. I caught Foxy. There's this, I think it's a sticker. Now, there's more surprises and also this thing. And let's open this up. Wonder which one the doll is. I'm gonna open this one first. Carrot. Whoa! Look at Foxy's glasses. Look at these cool glasses. Can actually see through them. I wish I had one layer just like these ones. Whoa, look at this water bottle. Wait, the water bottle squished. I'm gonna squish it, and it says Baby Goo Goo. Why does this water bottle keeps getting squishy and squishy? Okay, this one's a big one. I think it's Foxy's head wrapper, like headband thing. Whoa, it is! Whoa, I love it so much. Look at this color, guys. What is this? Whoa, it's her top, guys. Look at this cool top. And it even has like little ruffles on the bottom. Now, 3 last. And 2 more until the doll, Foxy, comes. What is this? Whoa, look at these cool pants. Take these out. 1 more until Foxy. What is it? I wonder. Whoa, look at these cool shrunken boots. These boots are so cool, guys. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go to Foxy. I think it is Foxy. Good, there's so much. Whoa, look at Foxy, guys. She's so cute. Now I'm gonna dress her up. And this is the collector's guide. And Foxy's the color changer because this is the color changing series. It's a bird, it's nature, Mom. For her squishy bottle. And this is Foxy. She's so cute. And her OMG sister's name is Sunset. And here's a closer look at Foxy. She's so adorable, right? Guide. And here's the collector's guide, guys. You can see that Foxy is a popular doll. Okay guys, this is all for this video, and hope you like this video too. Bye guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.